आई एम संजय कुमार दास फ्रॉम उड़ीसा कटक से। चले मिसलेनियस प्रैक्टिस सेट 12 नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन 7 to the power 6n minus 6 to the power 6n where age in an integer. What do you mean by integer? 0 मिडिल में 0, राइट में जाने से 1 2 3 4 5 6, लेफ्ट से जाने से -1 -2 -3, all are integers. So but the question is n is an integer greater than 0. So let's start. 7 to the power 6n minus 6 to the power 6n is equal to 7 to the power 3n whole square, right? Minus 6 to the power 3n whole square. So this is a square minus b square, so that it is a plus b whole into a minus b. So this is a plus b whole into a minus b. Formula is a square minus b square. So this one. So the question is greater than 0. n is an integer greater than 0. Greater than 0 means कुछ भी हो सकता है, 1 2 3 4, इंटेजर बोल रहा है ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6 whatever it may be, but we take greater than 0 means 1. So this equals to 7 to the power 3n means 3, n is 1, n is 1 means greater than 0, plus 6 to the power 3 because n is 1 whole into 7 to the power 3 minus 6 to the power 3. So 7 to the power 3 343, 6 to the power 3 6 6 36, 6 36 6 6 6 36 3 2 16, right? So this one 216 whole into 343 minus 216, right? So this equals to 639 415 325 559 into 136 minus 7 312 321. So this is a multiplication of 559 559 and 127. So is divisible by 127 is here. So it is divisible by 127 and also 559. But my answer is 127. Next, find the least number which when divided by 24, 32, 36 leaves the remainder 19, 27, 31. This is the most important question from the exam point of view. Look, you look, here is a difference 5, 24, 19. Find the least number which when divided by 24, remainder 19, 32, remainder 27, 36, remainder 31. So here you look, this is the difference 5. It is the difference also 5. It is also the difference 5. The question is given like this. So we have to first find out the LCM of least number means LCM. So 24, 32, 36 least number means LCM. So 2, 12, 2, 16, 2, 18, 2 divide, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 9, next 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 9, then 3, 3, 1, 3, 4, 3, 3, 9. So what to be the LCM? 4, 3, 12, 3, 36, 2, 72, 2, 144, 2, 288. LCM. This means if you divide 24 with this, it is divisible. 32 is divisible. 36 is divisible because it is the LCM of the three numbers. But what the question is asked, 19 remainder, 27 remainder, 31 remainder. Get is 5. If we subtract 5 from here, it is 283. Here you look, when you divide this one with 24, it is divisible. But when you divide 24 with this, 5 is short because you have subtract 5. So 5 is short. So that the remainder is 19. Like this. So the answer is 283. Number 3. 0.4267 turn into a vulgar fraction. Look. 0.4267 vulgar fraction bar hai 6. So it is 4267 by जितना का ऊपर बार है सॉरी माइनस जितना का ऊपर बार नहीं है -42 बाई जितना का ऊपर बार है उतना 9 जितना का ऊपर बार नहीं है इतना 0. So this is the whole fraction. So 725 642 642 4. So it is 4225 9900. But the answer is not here. So we reduce it. So how to reduce? 4225 by 9900. If you reduce 5840 22 5420 25 5525. Here 515 49 59 45 40. Again 5 53 15 48 59 45 30 56 30 51 5 34 56 30. So the fraction is 1 by 169 by 396. Here is the answer. Number 4. Evaluate 0.9 root over up to 3 places of decimal. You look. Suppose 0.09 root over. Just to understand these things, this is most important. 0.09 means 0.3 into 0.3 means 0.09 का रूट ओवर 0.3 होगा. बट 0.9 का रूट ओवर क्या होगा? देखिए 0.9 3. Here the question is 3 places of decimal. Question is 3 places of decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After decimal, if 6 number is there, then we can find out the decimal for 3 places. So how? Square root निकलने से कैसे निकलना है देखिए. पॉइंट आ जाएगा 99 81 900 वो दो ना 99 it is 18 कितना आएगा 4 इधर 4 4 16 6 carry 1 4 8 32 33 carry 3 4 1 4 3 7. Next 0 6 10 6 4 9 3 6 8 7 1. So that this 20 is here. Come to this place. So it is also 188. 188. आंसर है 948 आ जाएगा 948. So this is the answer. Number 5. If 5 plus 2 root 3 whole divided by 7 plus 4 root 3 is equals to a plus b root 3, then the value of a and b. This type question, most important question for exam point of view. So 5 plus root 3, 2 root 3, 7 plus 4 root 3. This type of question, you have to multiply. You look the denominator and multiply the negative of, this means here a plus b. Just to multiply a minus b here. How? 5 plus 2 root 3 whole divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. If we convert into a square minus b square, then we have to multiply 7 minus 4 root 3. If I multiply 7 minus 4 root 3 with the denominator, so I am bound to multiply 7 minus 4 root 3 with the numerator, right? So this equals to 5, 7, 35, 5 minus 4 root 3 minus 20 root 3, right? Plus root 3 plus 7, this is 114 root 3 plus 2 root 3, 4 root 3, 8 root 3 root 3, 3 minus 24 plus minus minus. So, whole divided by what? 7a plus b whole into a minus b. So that a square minus b square, square of 4 root 3 is 48, 4, 4, 16, root 3, 3. So it is 48. This equals to, in our question, it is a plus b root 3. So this one is also a plus b root 3. So from this, what we find? 35 minus 24, 11, right? 35 minus 24, minus 20 root 3, plus 14 root 3, that to minus 6 root 3, right? Minus 6 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3 by 49 minus 48, 1. So need not to write. So a is equal to 11 root 3 जाने से b is equal to minus 6. So a is equal to 11, b is equal to minus 6. Our answer is here. Next, the sum of the square of two numbers is 97 and the squares of the difference is 25. The question asks the product of the two numbers. Fine, suppose one number is x, other number is y. What the question said? The sum. Whose sum? Now the square of two numbers. Number, square, then sum. The sum of what? The square of two numbers is 97. Then, and the square of the difference is square किसका होगा? नंबर दो का डिफरेंस होगा उसका स्क्वायर होगा. That means x minus y whole square is equals to 25. इसको ओपन करने से x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर minus 2xy is equal to 25. But the question is given in the first statement. X square plus y square is equal to 97. So I can put 97 here. 97, 25 here. This is 2xy. Am I right? So 7, 5, 2, 9, 2, 7 is equals to 2xy. What the question is asked? The product of the two numbers. Product of the two numbers is xy, because we have let x is a number, y is a number. So xy is 36. So the answer is 36. Next come to the question. Number 7. What will be the average of first 9 multiple of 5? First 9 multiple. First 9 multiple means 9 first number, 18 second number, 9 1 9, 9 2 18, 9 3 27. So these are the multiple of 9. So multiple of 9 means first 9 multiples of 5. So of 9 multiples of 5. 5 here. 9 multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this it is. 9. So these are the 5 1 5. First 9 multiples of 5. This means 5 1 5. First multiple 5 ka. 5 2 10. 5 3 15. Like this. So, but the question is, what will be the average? So this is the total. 5 whole into this is the total. Average 9 numbers, 9 multiple. So by 9 average 9 multiples. So is equals to 5 by 9, 1 up to 9. Formula n whole into n plus 1 by 2 if we sum it. So 9 into 10, 9 into 10 by 2, right? This is 5 into 9 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 9. Formula n whole into n plus 1 by 2. So n is 9, n plus 1 is 10 whole divided by 2. So 9 9 cancelled, 2 5 10. So the answer is 25, right? Next, Charu purchased a dinner set at 3 by 10th of selling price. Look at the profit is calculated in this question on selling price and sold it at 10% more than the CP and sold it 10% more than the CP. So if let SP is 100, then what is its cost price? 3/10 into 100 is equal to 30 rupees. It is CP. But what the question is asked? Sold it at 10% more than the cost price. Cost price is 30. 10% of 30 is 3. So SP is 33 rupees. But the question is asked. So the profit is here calculated. The last end of the question. Generally, the profit is calculated in CP. Here the profit is calculated on CP. So CP is 30, SP is 33, profit is 3. Out of what? 30. So out of CP is 30. So out of 30, profit is 3. So out of 100, profit is 10%. So this is the answer. Number 9. A sum becomes 6-fold at 5% per annum. At what rate the sum becomes 12-fold? See the question. Suppose a sum means principal here. So if principal is 100 rupees, suppose I let principal is 100 rupees. Principal is 100 rupees. A sum becomes 6-fold. Amount 6-fold, 600 rupees at 5%. Our percent is 5% per annum. So here P 100 rupees. According to the question, a sum, here sum is principal. A sum becomes 6-fold. Suppose the person has 100 rupees. 6-fold means amount is 600 rupees. at rate of 5%. So, if amount is 600, principal is 100, so what to be SI? SI is equals to PTR by 100, right? You know it. So where is SI? SI is amount minus principal. So SI is 500 rupees, principal is 100 rupees, time is not given, R is 5% by 100. So here you look, 100, cancel. So T is equal to this 500 by 5. So T is equal to 100 years. So a sum becomes 6-fold at 5% per annum. Time period is 100 years. So what the question is asked? What rate the sum becomes 12-fold? Suppose principal 100, 12-fold means 1200. So SI is 1100. SI. So 1100 SI is equal to P. P. It is 1100. P is 100 rupees. If P 100, it is 12-fold, 1200. So the SI is 1100, principal is 100. So 1100 is interest. T into T, where is T? 100 years. Into R by 100. What the question is asked? At what rate? Rate percent. So 100 cut. This 100 by 100. So R is equal to 11%. Right? So the answer is 11%. Next question. This question is very much easy, but you have to think. Out of 120 application for a post, 70 are males. And 120 application post, 70 are males. Females must be 50. Females. But the question is asked. 80 have a driver license, but the person male is 70. 80 has driver license. So, what is the ratio between minimum to maximum number of the males? Number of the males having driver license. Minimum कितना होगा? Maximum कितना होगा? उनका रेशियो कितना होगा? Maximum कितना होगा? 70 males. Or suppose all of a driving license. So that the maximum कितना होगा? Male का 70 persons supposed to be maximum. They have driving license. So 70% of the driving license. If 50 female have the driving license, if 50 female have the driving license, the total driving license is 80. If female is 50, suppose all the female have the driving license. So if 50 female is the driving license, total driving license 80. In this case, the minimum number of driving license of male is 30. 80 all the females have a driving license. So the minimum number of males have a driving license 30. So the ratio is 3:7. Here is the answer. Number 11. If 10 spiders can catch 10 flies in 10 minutes, then how many flies can 200 spiders catch in 200 minutes? Look at question. Question is easy. You remember M1, D1, W2 is equal to M2, D2, W1. Here is the formula. So this formula we put here. Here you look, 10 spiders. Suppose it is number. Suppose it is like M1. Can catch 10 flies. This is the work done. 10 flies. So this is W2. Sorry, W1. This is 10. 10 means this third term is not given. What? M1, D1, W2. M1, D1, W2 here is equal to M2. M2, which one is your M2? Then how many flies can 200 spider catch in 200 minutes? W2 is, here is W2, here is W1, W1 is 10 spider can catch 10 flies. This is W1. So it is M2, it is D2, it is W1. So this is the equation. Let's find 200 W1 here, X is here, it is 10, 10, 10. Cancelled. Is 10. 0 is cancelled. So this is 4,000 is what? X. So W2 is 4,000. So the answer is 4,000, right? Next question. 4 men or 6 women or 10 children or child can paint a house in 5 days. This means 4 men come or 6 women come or 10 child come. If 4 men do it 5 days, 1 man do it 20 days, 1 day work, 1/20 of a man. Next, 6 women can do it in 5 days, 1 woman 30 days, 1 day work, 1/30. So this is the female, 1/30. Female, not woman. It is, the question is given. Next, child, 10 child, do a piece of work in 5 days. 1 child, do this work 50 days. 1 day work. Child, 1/50, right? So what the question is asked? The painting is given to a couple. Couples means husband and wife. One is male, other is female. This means 1 male is here, 1 woman is here. And there are 5 sons. 1 son do 1/50, 5 sons do into 5/50. So all up done. This one, 5, 10, LCM is 16, this is 3, this is 2, this is 6, this is 11/60. Parts of work they can do in 1 day. So parts of work is this. So day is inverse of the 11/60. So 60/11. This is 5 here, 11 here, 5. So 5 and 5/11 days. Where is the answer? Here is the answer. So if you like the video, subscribe me, like me and share. Namaskar.